All right, here's the driveway. I gotta get in before my phone overheats. It's been overheating lately. Uh, my buddy lives like right down over here. Good dude. Good block from what I know. I did hear there's a guy that runs Turo though, and they're trying to get rid of him. Not a joke. I think he's over here. So that's the only weird thing about this area. That's the online car rental crap. So giving you the scoop. That's what I do. All right, so walking in here. Got some damaged boards right there that need to be painted. Looks like a few of them. Yeah. So first thing. Looks in good shape though. Other than that, as far as the outside goes. You have like a cracked one right there. Like, I don't know if those are warranty items that just weren't fixed or what. Like cameras here. Let's go in. All right. This big door. I don't have my gimbal, so it's gonna be a little shaky today. All right. A bit of a smell. Like a dampness. Oh, weird. Okay. So I don't know why I'm starting with the bathroom. Let me just walk into the house. You kind of have like, what is that? You know, what the heck? You have that over here too. Okay. So you walk in. 10-foot ceilings, big living space here. Nice kitchen. Soft close cabinets, soft close drawers, upgraded as well, dovetail, so top of the line stuff here. Comes with the fridge, built-in fridge, that's nice. Let's head back over here. This is just kind of just randomly going through here, guys. I don't know. All right. Pantry. 8-foot doors throughout. Laundry room entered from the kitchen, through the kitchen into the garage. So a lot of space here. A lot of cabinets. Very nice. That's a bright garage, 2-car garage with a tandem, kind of extended 3rd car even, so you got a little lip back there as well, so a lot of space to work with. God, this is bright, man. They put some bright LEDs in here. Hot water tank. Check out the side of the yard while we're here. Okay. There you go. Some cable running up there. Not sure what that's for. I'll check it out. Okay. So little butler's pantry right here. Quantum fiber, internet stuff. A little bit of a wine fridge, I guess you'd call this, or soda fridge. Put your sodas in right here. I guess, yeah, pretty cool. So they could use a backsplash. That's the only thing that's missing right here. Otherwise, you do have a single oven with a convection oven over there. So it feels pretty good. It's lived in, you know, I feel it's lived in. You can see like the baseboards and stuff a little bit. And there's no damage, at least there's no damage to the corner there. Bullnose corner is what they call those. I forget the names. Looking under here. See a little damage right there, you know, stuff like that. Space feels good. It's not huge, but it's good. Definitely a lot of windows over there too you could open. We'll get to the backyard. Let's go check out the master, then we'll look at the other rooms. Try to get some organization here to this video. Okay, so you have this entranceway into the master. Filter looks okay. That's a good sign. So let's walk into the master first. So master's not huge, but it's there. Oh, this is real nice. Chandelier can fall in the tub when you're taking a bath. So this is like I've seen a lot of these kind of cultured marble with the veining going through here. Jeez, they like these chandeliers, huh? Nice looking trim around. Just some of those inconsistent spots that I pointed out earlier. A little damage right there. It's probably on the move out. All right, so we're gonna check out the other bedrooms. Here's a bathroom. Really nothing too special. Not sure what they were doing there, but they took something off. This bedroom's not small, not big. At least there's consistent tile throughout though. Walk-in closet. All the filters. Another room. Once again, not small, not big. I'll get these room dimensions if you guys want. I got my laser measurer that I'm supposed to be bringing when I do these tours that I haven't done. So I'll shoot those over in a text message. Bathroom. So looks like the big upgrade they did in this house is, you know, the upgraded cabinets and stuff, and then the tile throughout, which is really nice. So this is a really big room. Really good size right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. All right. And 1, 2, yeah, 3 full baths. So beautiful shutters though. These are what I have. These are the best ones you can get right here. These ones feel better than mine too. They're these Norman ones. So those are sweet. I like these. This one feels more fluid than mine. That looks good. Good looking house. You just have to get some decor and make it your own. Looks like somebody was up there. I need to clean that off a little bit. Yeah, this Sputnik here is a little strange. Let's go check out the yard. Now I'm gonna get my measuring guy. All right, I got it. See how I can make this work. So 124 feet, that's not right. Oh, that's the, okay, so 11 and a half feet by 11, 12 feet, basically. Okay. Uh, 11, 11.1 feet. $12 feet. Let me double check that. It seems weird. Yep, 12 feet right there. All right. the most exciting part of the video, I'm sure. All right, here we go. Let's go right. No, let's go right. Let's go over here. So this is going to be 12 feet. And then I'm going from this closet right here. $13.4 feet. All right, good deal. Let's head over here. If you guys want to know the living room, we'll see what kind of dimensions I can get here. I don't really know where I'm going with this, but I have this thing and it's here. So 21 feet there. And then let's go to that wall right there. 16, is that right? Let me try that again. 16. All right, 21 by 16. There you go. And then going to check out the master. So I'm going to, let's do it right here. $14.7 feet by 14.8 feet. Good stuff. Let's go do the yard now. Ugh. Ow. All right. Let's see how wide this is. I might as well use this on everything. 16.8 from wall to wall on here. Okay. And then going from the house to the back wall, we could start either over here. This has a little bit more room, but I'm going to go over to the other side of the wall here. See what we're working with. Hopefully this works. 28 feet. All right, 28 feet to the back wall. And then the lot size itself. Uh, 109? That's not right. Not a 109-foot lot, unfortunately. Let's hate to say it. 59.8, so 60-foot lot, which you can get online, but figured, hey, all right. So that's that. Let me show you. I didn't show you the side of the home here. A couple AC units over there. Let's see where all your neighbors are here. That's not a real window. It's a window, but nobody can see out of it. And then there's where your trash is going to be, other side. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Hopefully I got enough here. Happy to come back if you want me to. Talk to you soon.